even sure if this is part of the hurricane, but it's cold out and I feel like it's getting worse. I think that the mountain is that way, so that would be where the storm is coming from. I think that the rain is coming from sort of the direction that Lane is in, so I kind of think this is maybe the start of the hurricane rains. The wind hasn't picked up yet or anything, and I'm not sure if it's a category 4 or 5. I'm in a hoodie because it's cold. It's only like 75 degrees. I am never going to be able to come home. Today I've just been painting. So I painted this. Just a little sunflower, a little bit of happiness. Some mud palettes, and then I'm working on, this is I'm doing like a Hawaii sketchbook. So I don't know how much of this I'm ever going to show in the future, but it's basically just sort of like my way of keeping track of stuff. I'm also doing a page on Hurricane Lane because that's what's going on now. Basically, I've been trying to do about a page a day, show it all afterwards. There's not a lot going on today, not so far at least. The hurricane's not supposed to hit until like tomorrow. I think it's gonna hit Kauai like straight on. I don't think we're gonna hit too bad, but it is like a category 4 or 5, so even a little bit could be a lot. And this is my first ever hurricane, which is probably a dumb thing to be excited about, but I'm excited anyways. It's an adventure, so we will see how it goes. So I'm gonna go walk to supper because the dining hall is apparently still open, and it is raining, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna walk with friends, so I'll update you if it's really bad, but I don't think it will be. I've been painting, eating, and watching YouTube all day. That's all I've done. Morning. I don't think a lot has changed. It's a little bit colder, a little bit windier, but if we didn't have weather radars, I would just think it's rainy. The 18 inches of rain that we've already gotten have not even been from Lane. They've been like Lane's friends, his little cloud buddies that hang out with him. It's actual like blue sky. At least now there's a reason we're trapped inside. looks like Lane is gone. There's even some blue sky. Hurricane Lane is gone. They demoted it from a Category 5 all the way down to a tropical storm. So even when it hits Kauai, it's not going to do as much damage as they had thought it would. The only damage that we had here was a lot of flooding, which I don't believe did much actual damage on campus, but I know it did some damage like in town. Of course, we've been advised not to leave campus all week, so I haven't seen any of the damage that's in town. It's actually warming up and there's blue sky, so I think it's over for the Big Island. I think that we made it through. Survived my first hurricane. I haven't even been here for 2 weeks yet, and we had a hurricane. And it did get up to a Category 5. Yep, Hurricane Lane turned out to be a lot more calm than they expected. Of course, it's better to... Sorry, I thought there was a spider. It's better to prepare for a Category 5 than to assume that the Category 5 is going to not hit. So I'm glad I prepared. I'm glad everyone's okay. Yeah, that's the final update. So I guess I have classes on Monday again, and the adventure will continue.